All this is going to happen in a world in which you're going to have continual reinvention of process. You know, the Ford plant, coming back to that model. We build 700,000 vehicles and put them out to inventory. North of Toronto, we have a Honda plant. And they've built so much flexibility into process, it's almost as if they're at the point where they can say, what's selling this week? Cool. Let's build more of that next week. They've built so much flexibility in their process. We've got a manufacturing facility in Graz, Austria, Magna, who on a single assembly line can bring down a BMW, and the next vehicle is a Mercedes, and the next vehicle is a Saab. They've built so much flexibility into process, challenging what they can do. We've got manufacturers who are focusing on agility. I was dealing with a patio furniture manufacturer out of Alabama. And it was a family-run company. They'd been in the business for 100 years. They lost their business lines to China with Walmart and took a huge hit. And they were at the decision point in about 2003, 2004. Do we close up shop or do we focus on a new business model? Do we focus on agility and flexibility and having the ability to quickly ramp up production? And I was with the CIO, and he was going on stage with me, and he said, look, you know, last year we got a call from Walmart. And Walmart said, you know, we had an error. We didn't order 60,000 patio swings from our Chinese supplier. Lead times for offshore production are too long. Can you help us? And they succeeded in building so much agility into their process, they were able to take the order and begin shipping within 27 days of that phone call. I'm dealing with manufacturers who have post-flat strategies. We live in a world in which the future is flat. We're not going to play that game. We're not going to play a game in which we are competing based on price. I was dealing with an organization called Satislow, who are in the optical manufacturing space. They're being impacted by cheap offshore glasses, spectacles. We're not going to play that game. We're going to come up with a solution that provides better eye measurements, better vision solutions for patients. And we're going to develop a manufacturing and grinding process so that we can move into optometrist's office so that we can provide a higher value, better vision solution at a premium process. I'm dealing with manufacturers who are focused on time to market. How do we get product to market faster than ever before? Think about the transformation that is occurring with industrial design. We've got the ability for rapid concept generation that we were not able to do before. We've got opportunities in terms of rapid concept development, rapid prototyping. And these technologies are only going to continue to mature into the future. How do we take advantage of these capabilities? We are dealing with a world in which we might have mass customization and printing of personalized knee replacements. Dealing with companies in the orthopedic space, Stryker Technologies. And this is a reality where 3D printing is having a massive potential impact on business models. Think about what is happening with crowdfunding. Think about what is happening with crowdfunding, the opportunity where the tinkerer economy can suddenly conceive of new products, go out and get the funding, and can come up with new product ideas and get them manufactured in a blaze of speed overseas and bring them to market faster than ever before. We live in a world in which we are challenging manufacturing and process.